Hi everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to do really quick eyebrows. I found a new kind of technique to do my own, and it takes seconds and you still get the same definition but having them look much more natural. Right, so normally I would take a brow pencil and I would mark out the line and I would straighten this here to here. So there's a more solid line here, or a kind of straighter line joining this bit to the arch. And then I would create little hair strokes and more of an arch, etc, etc. And the result was often a little bit too drawn on, which I don't like. But I want a nice defined brow at the same time. So what I've decided to do is take my brow pencil that I've always used. This is the, the shade is Hazel. It's by, is it number 7? Yes, it is number 7. The problem is all the writing tends to blur out eventually. So this is a great shade if you're blonde because it's got no warmth in it. It's a cooler tone. It's not like get the red tone of a brown. So I use that to sketch out just the underline. So I'll do that first and then show you the next step. So you've got a nice flowing line up to the arch. Stop there for a second. And just strengthen that side of the brow. And then I'm going to leave it. And I'm going to get my Benefit brow brush. This is like a wee mini mascara and a wee mini mascara wand. This is fab. So basically, again, this is a really cool tone, great for blondes. And instead of filling in the rest of my brow with the pencil, I'm going straight in with the brush. So lift the brow, it lifts the brow hairs up, keeps them in place, elongates the brow hair a little bit. But it doesn't leave any dark, obvious strokes of hair, so it just keeps it much more natural. So that's one against the other. So the other one I will do now. So again, you're just elongating that line. Not filling any brow in at all, just the underline. Defining under the arch and then stop. Normally I would go to the above the arch and start creating hairs working down the way. I don't want to do that. Just take my little mini brow mascara, work up, make sure there's no blobs, and push that brow hair up. And I have found that that's enough. And it takes seconds, but it gives me enough definition without it looking too blocky. Close up, really, it is just my natural brow hair. It's just been combed into place and a little bit of tint added. So there you go. Just a quick, simple brow technique that I just kind of ended up doing last week, and I thought, oh, it's quicker and so much easier and so much more natural. Ideally, I wouldn't wear brow products at all, but I just don't have a strong brow, being naturally quite fair, so unfortunately I've got to kind of make up for it. But yeah, hope you like it, and I'll see you next time.